Check out this YouTube short I made in just 5 minutes.
Cursed doll hidden away in an old attic. Olivia, a curious collector of antiquities, couldn't resist the allure. She found the doll, its eyes seemingly alive, staring back at her. That night, Olivia awoke to the sound of soft footsteps.
This is SendShort AI, which can create highly engaging scripts and faceless videos that are already helping creators improve their productivity. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process of using SendShort AI to create viral faceless shorts and TikToks. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Once you log in, select Create Faceless Video. You'll begin by defining your content type or story. You can pick from preset genres or go completely custom with your own prompt. I went with horror stories. Next, choose your narration voice. The options are limited for now, but the voices sound realistic enough for short-form content. I'm picking the third one here. Then, set your aspect ratio. 9:16 is recommended since it's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. You can also choose your language, and if needed, translate it later. Set your video duration to 30 to 60 seconds usually works best. To make it even more atmospheric, I added some mysterious background music to boost the horror vibe. Once everything's set, click Generate Story and let the AI do its thing. SendShort first creates a short script written by its AI model to make quick, catchy stories perfect for Reels and Shorts. Now let's click Generate Faceless Video and see what we get, and here are the results.
Of a cursed doll hidden away in an old attic. Olivia, a curious collector of antiquities, couldn't resist the allure. She found the doll, its eyes seemingly alive, staring back at her. That night...
Pretty engaging, right? The text animations especially make it pop. But this is just the raw version. The real magic happens when we start editing using SendShort's built-in features. On the side panel, you'll see the script text. You can click on any line to edit or rewrite it if something sounds off. If you highlight a word, you'll see an option to apply color to this word, perfect for emphasizing key parts of your script. Next, head over to the model section in the left sidebar. There are tons of ready-made caption styles you can try to make your video more dynamic. I found one I really liked, so I'm sticking with that. In the Style section, you can change the font, size, and alignment, or even highlight a specific color in your captions to keep things clean and easy to read. Under Captions, I noticed emojis appear in the video. If you want to switch them out or remove them, just click on one and either replace it or hit the trash icon. Once you're happy with your captions, click on Advanced Edits at the top. This section also gives you the option to export subtitles as an SRT file, which is super useful if you want to upload them separately later. Then, go to the B-Rolls and Elements tab. Here, you can replace or adjust your current B-roll clips. The AI also suggests image replacements for each scene. You can pick the ones that fit your story best. You can even enable B-rolls with scene prompts for extra detail. I tried it on a few clips and left others as AI-generated images depending on what looked better. Once everything's ready, it's time to export your final video, which you can easily share across your social platforms. One of SendShort's best time-saving features is its ability to turn long videos into short, viral clips, perfect for creators who want to repurpose podcasts, interviews, or YouTube videos. To use it, go back to your dashboard and click on Long Videos to Shorts. You can upload your own long video directly or simply paste a YouTube link. I added a podcast link here that I wanted to turn into a short. SendShort automatically imports the video, analyzes both the visuals and audio, and finds the most engaging moments, usually under 90 seconds, that have the best chance of going viral. Once the clips appear on your timeline, you can preview them and select the parts you want to keep. When you're ready, hit Clip 1 Short, and the AI instantly creates your short-form video. And check out these results. They came out great.
I feel like people may, from the outside, perceive a life, which obviously, like you said, for work, it's busy and it's social. And of course, you have wonderful friends. But to know that you can feel comfortable in your own company and that's been a habit that you've developed over
I
time.
crave simple things.
Other AI tools that try to do this often mess up the framing or cut off the host or guest completely. SendShort, on the other hand, keeps everything perfectly centered and natural. It's smooth, accurate, and super easy to use. Now, the next feature I want to try is the automated series. This is best if you're trying to scale your content production. It basically automates everything from generating videos to scheduling and publishing them all in one place. Here's how it works. When you start a new series, give it a name and choose the platforms where you want your videos to be published. Right now, you can connect YouTube and TikTok with Facebook and Instagram Reels integration coming soon. Next, set your upload frequency. You can have SendShort automatically create and publish 1, 2, or even 3 videos per day and choose the exact time slots when they'll go live. The real power, though, lies in the content type setting. Once you define a theme, for example, fun facts, every video in that series will automatically stick to that topic. The AI takes care of everything, generating new scripts, visuals, and voiceovers around the same theme without you lifting a finger. After picking your voice, language, and duration, click Create Series. From there, SendShort will automatically start producing your videos, fully generated, scheduled, and ready to post directly to your connected accounts. Now, let's quickly go over the pricing. There's a free plan, but you can't test it with your own samples. If you want to create more regularly, the starter plan costs $19 per month and gives you up to 20 shorts per month and 3 faceless videos per week. So try out SendShort AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, watch this video next.